can't believe I'm here. It's been a few years. It is absolutely wonderful to be back in Hamburg, to be here with you tonight at the Crystal Cabin Awards, and it feels like an absolute immense privilege to have the honor of presenting the University Award tonight. These are young people that really are going to change the passenger experience for the better in every single way. They have sustainability, care for Mother Earth at their very core. And we learned that yesterday during the final viewing. Each and every one of the students blew my mind. I was so deeply impressed. And we were just joking at the table there, you know, when I was their age, I was drinking Mad Dog 2020, you know, I wasn't doing this. So it just blows my mind. And to take you on just a slight tangent, The Wizard of Oz, the movie, at the very beginning of that movie, the Munchkins come out and they sing a little song. And it goes something like this. I'm no singer, so I apologize in advance, but it goes something like this. We get up at 12 and start the day at 1, take an hour for lunch and then at 2 we're done. Jolly good fun. Well, I found myself singing that song on occasion. Oh, hey. Sound like a pro, but hey, I'll do my best. I found myself singing that song on occasion in the heart of the pandemic, when our young people were taken out of the schools and brought into the home. And it was a very, very challenging time for our young people. It certainly was a challenging time for my own daughter, who was 16 years old. And I know they missed out on a lot of activities and events. And it was tough. It was tough. And it taught me a lot. It taught me that it's essential that we give grace to those who handle challenges in a different way, if that means sleeping a few extra hours or even having a few extra drinks. It taught me that life is short and we should really think about what really, really matters, i.e. don't sweat the small stuff. And essential and crucial to the conversation here tonight about the university category, it taught me about the immense resilience of our young people. And none of the students yesterday mentioned anything about the challenges that they faced during the COVID pandemic to bring these projects to light. But I had a wonderful conversation with Professor Vink, and he shared with me some of those challenges yesterday. The sheer volume of PCR tests that these young people had to do, and navigating around the travel issues and everything else, it wasn't easy. And it was only just a month ago that the World Health Organization officially said that the pandemic was over. And I know we all want to put it behind us, but that's not that long ago. And I think that's what makes this so profound for me, in that these ideas are wonderful, but how they accomplish them during such a challenging time speaks to the profound, just amazing instincts and intelligence of these young people. And with that, let's see the finalists. And the winner is lightweight aircraft seating, TU Delft, cooperation, Embraer.